What's the meaning of Britannic? Britannic. Britannic.
Britannic. Britannic. The term Britannic derives from the Latin word Britannicus, which refers to things related to Great Britain. It can be used as an adjective to describe anything related to British history, culture, or nationality. The term is often associated with the legendary warrior Queen Boudica, who led a rebellion against the Roman Empire in Britain. It may also refer to the British Isles or the British Commonwealth. In contemporary usage, Britannic has become synonymous with the British royal family's official yacht and was also the name of a sister ship to the Titanic.